Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to lace up those bowling shoes and roll out to the 2023 District 5 Bowling Tournament. This is our largest collaboration event of the year, where we'll witness the ultimate showdown between Realtor Association members. It's a day full of laughs, friendly competition, and some seriously impressive bowling skills. All realtors from the District 5 area are invited to attend and compete for their association to win bragging rights and the District 5 bowling trophy. All proceeds from the tournament will directly benefit Silent Angels, a Florida realtors-backed charity that provides direct support to our communities. Since its founding in 2002, this organization has helped thousands of families in their time of need by providing funds, supplies, and services to individuals facing medical issues, job loss, or other hardships. Mark your calendars for July 15th at 5:15 p.m. Each team will consist of 5 bowlers, and the registration fee is $150 per team. Sponsorships are still available. Be sure to practice your A game and join us on April 22nd.